Friends, welcome to PLA Computers Sir YouTube channel. Okay, in this tutorial video, we are going to discuss about how to join in Google Classroom. Okay, so my dear students, for each individual class, there will be class code. Okay, so that can be you can get from any messenger group or anywhere. I request you to select and copy it, not to type by yourself. Okay, sometimes some alphabet it will be difficult, like capital I1 you will get difficult. Okay, for that it is better to copy it. Okay, so just I'm copied. Okay, then uh, using desktop or mobile device, there is app for Google Classroom. So for desktop you have to visit classroom.google.com. Okay, when you go there it will come like this. If you are the first time user, then you have to select your ID. Okay, so which is your working email ID. After that you will get here plus sign. So my dear students, you have to click on join class, then click and right click here, paste. Okay, if you are from mobile, uh, to copy it, go in any messenger group where there is code. If you long press for 3-4 seconds, there will be copy, and again come to this one, press for 2-3 seconds, there will be one paste option, paste the code. Okay, then join. Okay, after joining, you will be able to look the class information, everything. Okay, so my dear students, so I have connected. Okay, so now what about classwork? Okay, suppose a teacher uh, from teacher side one work is coming. Okay, so now I'm closing. So from this side I am teacher, from another I am a student. Okay, so suppose one thing I'm going to say, suppose classwork. Okay, uh one assignment. Okay, so I am creating one assignment. Okay, so one so I belongs to computer, so my topic will be computer, my dear students. Okay, so suppose day 16 homework. Okay, so this is my side, so it won't it will not come to your suppose PLK computer sir. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so suppose uh, mm, like day 26 homework. Okay, so copy. Okay, after that okay, then I will click to file. So this is not your site, sorry, I have to click on link, my dear students. So link. Okay, after that I will provide the due date for, so 2 days time. So by 15 means 3 p.m. you have to submit. Okay, uh, so this is the teacher side work. Okay, so when I assign the work, okay, so what notification it will. Okay, so this is the work. Okay, my dear students, after assigning, when you go to your site, okay, I will refresh it, my dear students. So I have one work, look, so PLK computers are posted due 16 work. Okay, so I will click here. Okay, okay, so to upload it we have to click on add one. Okay, so what is the work? At first you have to view, it can be anything file. So two question, suppose two question answer I have already written. Now how to upload it? Okay, for that I have written the answer. Okay, suppose okay, so these are the answers. Suppose this is actually the full form. Okay, not the exact answer. Okay, my dear students, I will suggest you make in order, like page 1. Okay, so suppose this is page 2. Okay, in this way, page 3, then it will be easy. Okay, page 4, page 5, page 6, and page 7. Okay, Okay, my dear students, and I request, suppose you have altogether so from 7 page, suppose you have answer, okay, but there is 2 question only. So suppose more question are there, okay, so this much answer. I request you to make it in PDF format, okay. For that, my dear students, you can go for JPG to PDF, okay. When you Google it, so many sites are coming here. Suppose JPG to PDF.com, okay. So upload file, my dear students, okay, so download. I have this one, page 1 2 3. By pressing control, you can select order, okay. So it will upload all the image, my dear student, and it will convert it into PDF. Then we can get the single work, okay. So I suggest you all students, please do this one, okay. It will be easy. So we have altogether 7 page, okay. So it will take time to upload, my dear students, okay. So let it to be uploaded. How many pages you can want? So you have answer, suppose, okay. Now combined, so I will click on combined, okay. So it will also combined work, okay. Then I will click on this one, so in folder, okay. So I have combined, and this is my day 16 homework, okay. I will click on this one. Now I have to upload one single file, okay. So if you click on this one, homework 16, so this is the PDF file, my dear students, okay. You can watch, okay. So all the pages are here, okay. So it is heavy file, that's why it is taking time to show it, okay. In this way, it will be single file, okay, my dear students. So I have done the work also. Now how to upload, okay. So my dear students, okay, after that, your work, click on the file. My file is in not, if you are keeping in Google Drive also, you can attach it. Otherwise, from computer or mobile, you can browse it, okay. So this is one, this one, okay. So let it to upload, okay. So 6.9 MB, okay. So this file is uploaded, okay. So when file is uploaded, my dear students, okay, then what you have to do, when you are ready to submit all your files for this assignment, remember to hand in, okay. So hand in. When I will click on hand in, okay, then they will ask confirmation, so I will confirm it, okay. Then this work is already submitted. We have the option for on submit also, don't worry. I have already submitted, okay. So when we click on this one, so work is already submitted, my dear students, okay. So now no due work, okay. If you have so many work, it will come here with subject work is left. In this way, you can submit your assignment in Google Classroom, okay. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any confusion, then you can write in comment. I will make tutorial video on that one also. Thank you very much.